Greetings to you all. Welcome to class 10, Basic Quiz, English. Dear children, today we are going to solve basic quiz. So listen carefully, okay? We'll discuss. First of all, there is a passage. So we have to read the passage and answer the questions. Read this passage carefully and answer the following questions by choosing the correct option. Shall we read? Okay. Do you know the difference between a submarine and a submersible? A submarine is a watercraft that is capable of independent operation under the sea. Submarines do not require support ships because submarines can renew their air and power supplies independently. Submersibles also submerge and operate underwater, but they need the support of a large vessel. Submersibles cannot renew their air and power supplies without support. For this reason, submersibles are usually smaller and cannot spend as much time underwater as submarines. The first documented submersible was for constructed reason. Submersibles are usually smaller and cannot spend as much time underwater as submarines. The first documented submersible was constructed in 1620 by Cornelis Drebbel. It is powered by rowing oars underwater. Though this craft was originally designed for underwater exploration, it did not take long for inventors and makers of war to recognize the military potential of the submersible. In 1648, Bishop John Wilkins wrote, "It may be of great advantages against a navy of enemies, who by this may be undermined in the water and blown up." Over 100 years later, the first military submarine was ready to be deployed. The Turtle was the world's first submarine used in combat, designed by David Bushnell in 1775. It was deployed by Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War. Though the Turtle did utilize a support ship in combat, it was fully capable of renewing its air and power supplies independently. Therefore, the Turtle is considered to have seen submarine and not a submersible. The Turtle was named as such because it resembled a turtle. The Turtle was later destroyed by the British. Despite this failure, the Turtle is still remembered as the first submarine used offensively during war. Modern submarines are now powered by a nuclear reactor. The nuclear reactor generates a tremendous amount of power and fires the submarine from the need to occasionally surface. The large amount of power generated by these reactors allows submarines to operate at high speeds for long duration. Current nuclear submarines never need to be refueled throughout their 25-year lifespan. Okay, children, have you listened? You can read this minimum 2 or 3 times. Okay. Now we'll discuss the answers. Okay. First question, it means 31st question. Who designed the first submersible? அதாவது யாராக்கும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டாக the submersible design பண்ணுது? Your options are David Bushnell, Cornelis Drebbel, Bishop John Wilkins, the Continental Army. யாராக்கும் டிசைன் பண்ணாங்க? Your answer is Cornelis Drebbel. Fine, children? B option. Moving on to second question, it means 32nd. How do the modern submarines get power? அப்போ மாடர்ன் சப்மரைன்ஸ்க்கு எங்கேருந்து பவர் கிடைக்கிது? Your options are by using nuclear reactor, B by using solar power, air supply, and D by using electric generators. And what's the answer? Your answer is option A by using nuclear reactor. Fine, children? Moving on to third question, it means 33rd. Who destroyed the first submarine, the Turtle? And the turtle, the turtle மாதிரி இருக்கிறது யாருக்கும் first destroy பண்ணது? Your options are the Continental Army, B, the Americans, C, the England, D, American Revolutionary Army. And your answer is England. And the England force வந்து British வந்து அந்த turtle submarine destroy பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Fine. Okay, moving on to 34th question. What did the first submersible look like? First submersible எப்படி இருந்தது? A, it was very big. B, it resembled a turtle. C, it had a shell-like shape. D, it had a circular shape. இது என்ன மாதிரி இருந்தது? அப்பயே சொல்லியிருக்கிறேன், it resembled a turtle. ஒரு ஆமை மாதிரி இருந்தது. Okay, next question children, 35. What is the approximate lifetime of present nuclear submarine? Approximate lifetime எவ்வளோ நாள் இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி. So your options are half a century, a century, 1/4 of a century, D, 1/5 of a century. And your answer is 1/4 of a century. Okay, it means 25 years ஓடும். சரியா? 36th question. Raja prunes the plants and trees. Prune means என்ன? ஓகே, ப்ரூன் ஒரு பிளான்ஸ் அண்ட் ட்ரீஸ் எல்லாம் சிசர்ஸ், ஒரு பிக் சிசர்ஸ் வச்சு கட் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அதுதான் ப்ரூனிங். ஸோ யுவர் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் பிஞ்ச், எக்ஸ்டெண்ட், ட்ரிம், ஷேவ். அப்போது கட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிற, ட்ரிம் பண்ணுறது கிளியராக நீட்டாக. ஸோ யுவர் ஆன்சர் இஸ் சி ஆப்ஷன். 37th question. அஜய் சாட் டேஷ் வினோத் அண்ட் குமார். அஜய் வினோத்துக்கும் குமாருக்கும் நடுவில் இருக்கிறாங்கன்னு வைங்களேன். யுவர் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் இன், ஓவர், among, between. So அஜய் ரெண்டு பேருக்கு நடுவுலன்னு சொல்லும்போது you should use between. Fine children. Your next question is 38. You dash make noise in the library. Okay, லைப்ரரியில் நாய்ஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. And your options are cannot, must not, need not, should not. ஸோ லைப்ரரியில் சத்தம் போடக்கூடாது. ஸோ இதில் எது கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன்? You must not make noise in the library. இது modal verb கன்ஃபியூசிங்காகவும் இருக்கலாம், எது வேணாலும் சூட் ஆகிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். இட் லுக்ஸ் லைக் as if everything is suiting, but I feel must not will be apt. Okay, 39th question. She is capable dash finishing this work. So your options are in, at, of, by. So she is capable of finishing this work. Your option is C. Okay, next one children, 40th question. She fainted dash hearing the bad news. Your options are on, as, at, in. So she fainted on hearing the bad news. Fine children. So I hope all of you understood. You can listen again and watch again. Keep practicing and understand nicely. Do not miss to watch other lesson explanation videos, book back exercise videos, assignments and other things. Thank you.